Hey everybody, Robert back here with more Revit training. Haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It helps me out. So we're working on this project here, and we've got questions about our views and what's going on with all these views, these sections and elevations and whatever. So I'm going to go through these views very quickly here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It helps me make these videos. So the first view we normally deal with a lot here in Revit would be the section view here. So this is my section view, and then when I go into the properties, you'll see building section, and you have several choices here. You've got a detailed view, you got building section, wall section, and working section. So I'm going to go select building section here. Now building section is generally going to be the entire building. You're doing a long section maybe or whatever. So I'm going to just go and take this section straight through here like so. And these are your limits of extent. So if I go to this view, there's that wall we're looking at. Now you see the reinforcing in there and everything. If you don't want to see that, it could be turned off here, or I go back into my level view and I can select it. And these are the limits. This little line here, so I can just pull this back to say right there. And I'll double click it, and there's that wall, that section. Okay, now if I go back here, so we've got our long section, and we can go the other direction as well. So here I placed these for my reference, but I'm going to just place them again. So I'll go back to section, and then here we'll select a wall section. So if I select wall section, and I just want one wall, I'll go right here and put it there, and as you can see, this is going to look different. And there's the section of that wall. I can change that to fine, and we can see the details in here. Now what you can also do now, another section here, well, not section of view. So we've done our section, so let me see here what we got here. You can also do a detailed view here. So I can go here and select this and say I want to do a detail of this area right here. I'll just go here and I can flip that around with the flip arrows, and I can double click that and open that as a view to do work in, and maybe of course change the scale or whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the architectural. Now I prefer these callouts. They work really good for details and everything. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to callout now, and we're going to rectangular. Now here you get detail view as well. You get several options here, but for this one I'm going to go and I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to basically go in here and I'm going to do a view. I'm going to do a call out, and I want to select this bathroom. This is going to be our enlarged view, so I'll select this bathroom, grab the pull dots, drag this down. I mean, this is basic stuff. Everybody should know this. And if I double click it here, I'll go in this view. And this view can be used for your part plans and elevations and things of that nature. Okay, so now let's go back into the level here. There's our part plan. We can do that for the bathrooms, and we might want to do that for things like kitchens. So I'm going to place these in here for my project. Well, I'll do them later. Now I'll go back into my view tab, and you can sketch it as well. So if I want to sketch one, I could do a sketch. Say I want to see this, and maybe something out here to there, to there, and back across, and close it off and finish it. You can do that. and you can adjust this. Okay, so now let's go back into our call out, and then also here you can do a detail view. So now I'm going to go back into my wall section here. We had that detail view, but I like this one. Where you can shake it, like say for instance, you want to do this foundation wall here, and you want to pick it and put it on another sheet. And you can adjust that. Then if I open it, there's that detail, and you might want to get it at another scale. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna fix this while I'm over here. I'm gonna, if I can join this geometry, I'll clean it up here. There you go. But anyway, folks, thanks for watching the video. Just want to show you how to do these views. We're going to move on with this project. I'm going to get on the mechanical stuff, but we need to get our views together, and that was a quick question for somebody. But hey, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, and everybody be safe. One other quick note, we get our elevations here as well, but they're already set up in the project browser in this template. So here, these views are, this is my north. Okay, see these templates, I'm a little shaky about this template here. I'm not sure if I like it right now. There's elevations. It's my east. It's my north, south, and west. But hey, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.